Hey guys, back at it again with another YouTube tutorial on how to make. In this video we'll be teaching you how to make a robo origami by Muneji Fujimoto, creator of ORIROBO. It's a book that illustrates robot origami, and it'll look something like this. It'll look something like that. It's gonna be by the book, and I'm really excited about this video. So let's get started. What you want to do first is you want to fold it to the left of you, then fold it to the right, but leave the bottom layer. And you fold it to the right again. You flip it to the upside down, and you fold it to the left this time, and you fold it to the left again. You open it up, and you have eight lines of these. You flip it 90 degrees, and you do the same thing again. And it matters which color paper you use. If you flip it to this side, it's gonna have the most. It's gonna have shown the most color, like this. It's gonna show the most green. If you flip it to this side, or to this side, yellow, it matters. So flip it 90 degrees. And you fold it to the right. You fold it again. You flip it to the other side. You flip it to the right, the left. You do it again. And you open it up. It's gonna have squares like these. Sorry guys, my battery was running out and I had to charge it. So once you have squares, by doing a 90 degrees and folding it this way, what you want to do now, whichever side you want, that's the side you're gonna get in the majority. So I want to get green, so you want to create a little triangle. You flip it to the side, you flip it to the bottom. What you want to do now that you have this, You want to fold it so it becomes a square. Same thing to this side. And what you want to do is, like, you're gonna want to make a crane base fold. You open it up and you fold it to the top. You do the same thing to this side. You open it up and you do the same thing. And you only want to do the top, don't do the bottom. What you want to do next is, when you see a line of squares, you fold it to the bottom. So it's going to have two stacks of squares. You fold it to the bottom, and you're only going to make one stack of squares, and you fold it like so. But you remember, want to do this, pull them to side by side. You fold it like so, and you're going to have a design that looks like this. What you want to do next is, there's these two stacks of squares. You're going to want to fold them like this. So again, two stacks of squares, you pull it to the side, and then you make a water balloon base. And so what you want to do now, you pull this to the side, you make a crease, you open this flap, and with this it's gonna make an outline of where it needs to be, sort of like this. Needs to connect. And what you want to do next is, you're going to do this. You put this to the side so where you can see it. You open it up. And do this, or the crane base, like I did before. You fold it to the side, so it's gonna look like this. You fold it to the side. Then what you want to do now, you're gonna make like a sort of like a yin and yang, the same on both opposite sides. So you're gonna do this, and you're gonna fold this side the opposite way. And you're going to have this. And now when you see this line here, you're gonna fold the opposite way, like this. Then you're gonna fold this way. So this is gonna be the legs, and this is gonna be the arm. This is the outline. And what you wanna do next, you're gonna open it up, open this part up. This is gonna be the most difficult part. Open it up, and where you see a semi crease, you're going to do this, and you're gonna make like a box. And you're gonna fold this part up, and you're gonna have this. What you want to do now is, you're gonna fold this part to here, this part to there. you're going to make a triangle that looks like this. And what you want to do next is you pull this like that. And we're halfway there. And you can do the same thing to this side. So remember, 2 stacks of squares. You're going to make a crane base. And then you're going to do the yin and yang like I showed you. Then what you want to do now is you're going to fold it this way, but afterwards but before you do this, so these are going to be the legs. Remember the semi-crease, remembering the semi-crease, and remembering the box. And you fold this way. We're halfway there. We're halfway there. You flip it to the side. Flip it over. You're gonna do this. And you're gonna make this the torso. What you want to do now is you open this part up. What you want to do now is sink it. So now you have this. Then you're gonna do this. You're gonna make the head now. And you're gonna do this. Sorry about that. And you can do this. You can flip it over. So you're almost done. You're gonna make the arms next. You're gonna flip it to the top. Then you're going to do this fold. You're gonna make the arms, the cranes. Open it up a little bit. And you're gonna push it. Just do something like that. Do the same thing. Last part, you make the torso, the belt, by pushing this. And there you have it. Make sure you do this. Push this part. So you can make the arms more definite, more defining. And there you have it. And the book, Origami by Muneji Fuchimoto, creator of ORIROBO. And thanks for watching the video. Make sure you leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And tune in next week. It will be something a little different. And done.